7 old Toyota trucks and SUVs collectors can't get enough of. To some, the best cars are far behind us, and if you saw these old Toyota trucks and SUVs, you would probably agree. These vehicles are Toyota's ultimate GOAT, and most would still pay thousands of dollars to get their hands on a good one. Before we dive in, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, so you don't miss any of our new videos. Number 7. 1960 to 1983 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. The Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 is the stuff of legend. It has transcended its humble origins as a utilitarian work truck to become an iconic symbol of adventure, resilience, and exploration. The FJ40's story began in the early 1960s when Toyota set out to create a vehicle that could compete with the likes of the Land Rover and the Jeep. The result was a truck that was both simple and sophisticated, with a sturdy ladder frame chassis, a robust 3.9-liter inline-six engine, and a 4-speed manual transmission. Over the years, the FJ40 underwent numerous updates and refinements, including the addition of disc brakes, air conditioning, and power steering. Today, the Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 is a highly sought-after collector's item, with prices ranging from $50,000 to over $100,000 for mint-condition models. Way more than other models, but well worth it. Number 6. 1973 to 1978 Toyota Pickup. In the early 1970s, Toyota embarked on a mission to conquer the American pickup truck market. That brought about the creation of the 1973 Toyota Pickup, a compact, rugged, and reliable workhorse that would go on to win the hearts of many. With its 2.0 liters inline-4 engine, 4-speed manual transmission, and rear-wheel drive layout, the pickup was designed to be a no-frills, get-the-job-done kind of vehicle. Toyota's engineers had designed the pickup to withstand the rigors of daily driving, with a sturdy ladder frame chassis. As a result, the pickup quickly gained a loyal following among farmers, contractors, and small business owners who needed a reliable work truck. Currently, mint-condition models of this truck range from $10,000 to over $20,000. Number 5. 1980 to 1992 Toyota FJ60 or FJ62. With Toyota's FJ60 and FJ62 Land Cruisers, Toyota made a seismic shift in its approach to building off-road vehicles. Gone were the Spartan utilitarian days of the FJ40. In their place was a luxurious, feature-rich SUV that catered to a growing demographic of adventurous, affluent buyers. The FJ60, introduced in 1980, was the first Land Cruiser to boast a 6-cylinder engine, a more modern suspension system, and a host of comfort-oriented features, including air conditioning, power steering, and plush carpeting. Its successor, the FJ62, which debuted in 1988, took the luxury theme even further, with the addition of fuel injection, automatic transmission, and a range of premium amenities. Despite their luxurious trappings, the FJ60 and FJ62 remain true to their off-road heritage, with a robust 4-wheel drive system, generous ground clearance, and a reputation for reliability that was unmatched in the industry. For well-preserved models, expect to pay upwards of $25,000 for a clean FJ60 or FJ62, and premium models sell at significantly higher prices. Number 4. 1981 to 1983 Toyota Trucker. Early into the 80s, Toyota experimented with a novel concept, a pickup truck with a removable fiberglass top and a rear seat, and out came the Trucker, a vehicle that would lay the groundwork for the modern SUV. With its 2.4-liter inline-4 engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and 4-wheel drive capability, the Trucker was designed to be a versatile and adventurous vehicle. Its compact size and agile handling made it perfect for navigating tight trails and crowded city streets. Despite its innovative design, the Trucker never gained widespread popularity. Only around 1,500 units were produced during its short production run, making it a rare and highly sought-after collector's item today. Trucker enthusiasts praise its unique blend of ruggedness and practicality, and its historical significance as a precursor to the modern SUV. Prices for restored Truckers can range from $10,000 to over $50,000, depending on condition and originality. Number 3. 1984 to 1988 Toyota Pickup. The 1984 to 1988 Toyota Pickup is a vehicle that needs no introduction, thanks to its starring role in the iconic 1985 film Back to the Future. Marty McFly's black Toyota pickup, complete with a roll bar, lift kit, and off-road lights, cemented the truck's status as a cultural icon. Beyond its Hollywood fame, the 1984 to 1988 Toyota pickup was a rugged and reliable workhorse, designed to tackle tough jobs and harsh environments. Its 2.4-liter inline-4 engine, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, provided ample power for hauling and towing. Toyota's engineers also prioritized durability and simplicity. With a sturdy ladder frame chassis, a robust suspension system, the result was a truck that could easily do everyday difficult tasks, whether on the job site or the trail. With good reason, the 1984 to 1988 Toyota pickup is now a highly sought-after collector's item, and prices for it begin from $15,000 to over $30,000 for restored models. Number 2. 1984 to 1988 Toyota 4Runner. Toyota's 1984 to 1988 4Runner was a groundbreaking vehicle that helped establish the compact SUV segment. To put it simply, it was the original SUV. Based on the pickup's ladder frame chassis and mechanicals, the 4Runner added a fiberglass rear section, creating a versatile and practical vehicle. The 4Runner's design was both functional and stylish, with a rugged, angular exterior and a cozy, carpeted interior. Its 2.4 liters inline-4 engine provided adequate power, while the 5-speed manual transmission and 2-speed transfer case made it capable in low-traction situations. As one of the first compact SUVs on the market, the 4Runner attracted a loyal following among outdoor enthusiasts and families. Even better, as a pioneering model in the compact SUV segment, the 4Runner's historical significance makes it very popular among collectors and enthusiasts. So if you're looking to get one, expect prices range from $20,000 to over $40,000. Number 1. 1990 to 1997 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ80. Between 1990 and 1997, Toyota established that they were deviating from the norm of excluding luxury in trucks and SUVs. But the Toyota Land Cruiser FJ80 was a stronger statement in that direction. It came with a more luxurious and refined approach to off-road capability, with its sleek, aerodynamic design, which boasted a more rounded and modern appearance. Underneath its sleek exterior, the FJ80 retained the Land Cruiser's legendary toughness and reliability. Its 4.5-liter inline-6 engine provided power, while the 5-speed manual transmission and 4-speed automatic transmission offered smooth and responsive shifting. The FJ80's interior was also significantly upgraded, featuring premium amenities like leather upholstery and a state-of-the-art audio system. This newfound emphasis on luxury and comfort helped to expand the Land Cruiser's appeal beyond its traditional off-road enthusiast base. Today, the 1990 and 1997 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ80 is highly prized among collectors and enthusiasts, with restored models commanding prices upwards of $50,000. For anyone who understands its true value, it is more than worth it. We agree that Toyota has established a record of outdoing itself, but are we really missing out on much? Or are these vehicles just nostalgic memories that some can't let go of? If you had to choose one of these, which would be? Tell us in the comments.